after 6 months on the road, you grow attached to certain things on your vehicle. Certainly I do, because like the vehicle is the center of our life on this year-long trip around East Africa. And so we chatted in the family, and everybody got a chance to say what their favorite bit of kit was, or their favorite accessory. But for me, it's definitely the draw system, but more than that, actually the side hatches on the draw system, because it's the place I find myself going in and out of probably the most out of the whole vehicle. And I think that's because all of my tools and bits and pieces and accessories and recovery gear and all sorts of stuff is stashed in there out the way. It's stuff that you think you don't use every day, but I feel like every single day I'm in and out of these side hatches and trying to grab something out of here. And they're really, really easy to access. You just pop them up, and you know, in this one, for example, we've got our jacking foot plate, spare nuts and bolts, my electric drill, a little spade, there is oil, our funnel, there's a tennis ball, there's a Joshy's baseball mitt, a cricket bat, our awning, and a whole bunch of other stuff. But honestly, I find myself in and out of these side hatches literally every day. And for me, the stuff that I need while we're on tour, that has been probably the bit of kit that I've used the most.